Hi, this is Amina from with Shoemaker. I'm here to show you guys how to insert the new soles that we're dropping on the website into your forces. So we have a lot of designs. This one, these are my favorite. Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cookie Crunch, and Frosted Flakes, and some Chewbacca soles. They're really dope. We drop a new design every week. I'm just gonna show you a little demo how to insert it. So first thing you want to do, I undid my shoelaces just because it's a little bit more difficult if they're still in, but I mean if you can do it, that's cool. I just can't. So first you take out the sole. Take out the sole of your shoe. But you want to measure it with these soles right here. They come in size 13. And you have to cut them to your size. So you're gonna open it, and when you open this packaging, you're gonna see a QR code right here, and it's gonna lead you back to this video so you can, figure it out. Open up the bag. Take the soles out. I'm gonna be doing my right foot, so I'm gonna be taking the right sole. Line it up with the bottom right corner of the sole from the shoe. And the bottom of this sole is sticky, so you can just stick on, so it helps you out. Trace it with a pen, and it doesn't have to be pretty because you're gonna cut it out anyway. So I'm just gonna trace it real quick. Stick it. See? It's really rough, but it's okay because I see where my line is and I don't want to cut it. So you need a pair of super sharp scissors. These are like sewing scissors, so this could really cut my finger off, but it's okay. I won't cut my finger off. And when you start cutting, you want to use the bottom part of the blade, because if you use the tip, it's going to be a super rough cut. So when you use the bottom part of the blade, it's a lot smoother. Looks pretty good. Oh, I did better than I thought I would. Okay, good for me. So you want to put it back onto the sole of this shoe, so it fits just like that. Don't worry about this part right here because it's part of the sole of the shoe. So you want to put both of them back in. You don't have to do it at the same time. I do it one by one just because I don't like doing it. You're going to put this sole back in. Then you want to put this sole right on top. Get that extra cushion in. Flat feet is real uncomfortable, y'all. It's real uncomfortable. You want to get as much cushion as you can. And if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, this shoe's gonna be so thick, my feet are gonna be uncomfortable, my toes are gonna get squished in half, it's not that deep. You gotta break. It's all good. That's how you insert the soles. Now I did a right sole, but it's the same rules with the left sole as well. Just take out the sole of this shoe like I did with the last one. And again, it's a little bit sticky, so it might be a little bit tough to take out, but that's okay. Line it up, the bottom of this sole, the bottom of this sole. Just like this, right bottom left corner and this bottom left corner are lined up appropriately, and then you trace it. Instructions, cut it out again. Again, you want to use the wide part of the scissors just to get a smoother cut. I didn't really show you guys how smooth it was, but like compare that, that's pretty smooth. But if I'm just using the tip, it's super rough. It doesn't get that perfect outline. See the difference? Smooth, super rough. Maybe I'm just a perfectionist, I don't know. But again, you want to get super sharp scissors. Don't get them little kitty scissors. Again, you see my outline isn't perfect, but that's okay. Because first of all, you're cutting it. And second of all, it's literally going to be in your shoe. Nobody's going to look at your foot and you messed up the outline. That's crazy. If they do that, they're crazy.